Hey guys, Biker Brendan here. I've just received my exhaust, so I'm going to make a bit of a comparison video, a sound test of the stock exhaust versus the FMF. So, I'll turn her on, show you what the stock one sounds like. So it's really quiet. Alright, so I've just finished putting the exhaust on. I haven't done the programmer yet, or the airbox mod, but this is what it's going to sound like. This is without the quiet insert, this is just the Powercore 4. That's awesome. And this is the exhaust with the quiet insert in. I think it's slightly quieter on idle. It's hard to know. It's a little bit quieter, but not much. Yeah, so there it is guys. Full FMF system. Sounds awesome.